Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I'm incredibly excited to share with you the most groundbreaking AI tools that are absolutely transforming our digital landscape in 2025. Whether you're a content creator, educator, business owner, or just someone interested in how AI is reshaping our world, this video is going to blow your mind with what's now possible. The pace of AI innovation has been nothing short of extraordinary over the past year. And I've personally tested dozens of these tools to bring you the absolute best ones that deliver real results. These aren't just incremental improvements. They're game changers that can dramatically boost your productivity, unleash your creativity, and help you achieve things that seemed impossible just a few years ago. Let me start with Jasper, which has established itself as the premier AI writing assistant on the market. What makes Jasper truly special is its ability to analyze just a few seed words and transform them into complete sentences, paragraphs, or even entire documents that match your desired tone and style. With over 50 content creation templates covering everything from blog posts to marketing copy to emails, Jasper has become indispensable for content creators worldwide. It supports more than 25 languages and features an incredibly intuitive interface that makes generating high-quality content faster than ever before. Next on our list is Murf, a revolutionary AI voice generator that's transforming how we create audio content. Murf allows you to convert text into incredibly lifelike speech, using its library of over 100 AI voices across multiple languages and accents. What really sets Murf apart is the level of customization it offers. You can adjust pitch, speed, volume, and even add natural pauses and emphasis to create voiceovers that sound genuinely human. It's perfect for e-learning materials, promotional videos, podcasts, and so much more. The quality has reached a point where listeners often can't distinguish between Murf-generated voices and professional voice actors. For those of you creating video content, Synthesia is absolutely changing the game. This platform enables you to create professional-looking videos with AI avatars that speak in over 60 languages, without ever needing a camera, microphone, or studio setup. Synthesia offers a wide range of templates, a screen recorder, and a comprehensive media library that makes video production accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. Major companies like Google, Nike, and DBC are already using Synthesia for training videos, marketing content, and internal communications. The time and cost savings compared to traditional video production are simply staggering. Now let's talk about branding tools. LogoAI has emerged as a standout solution for entrepreneurs and businesses seeking professional branding without the hefty price tag of traditional design services. This AI-powered logo design platform allows you to generate and customize logos that perfectly capture your brand's identity and values. The technology analyzes your inputs regarding industry, style preferences, and color schemes to create unique, professional designs that would typically cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars when commissioned from human designers. For more comprehensive branding needs, Tailor Brands offers an impressive suite of AI-powered tools. Going beyond just logo creation, Tailor Brands provides a complete ecosystem for establishing and maintaining a strong brand presence. From business card designs to social media management, its intuitive interface and highly customizable options have made it incredibly popular among startups and established companies alike. What's particularly impressive is how the AI learns from your preferences over time, creating increasingly tailored recommendations as you use the platform. Switching gears to education, Course Hero has revolutionized how students approach their studies with AI-driven assistance. This platform provides instant explanations and detailed answers across virtually every academic subject, supporting various document types and delivering solutions in as little as 30 seconds. The AI has been trained on millions of academic resources, enabling it to help students understand complex concepts and improve their performance. It's like having a tutor available 24/7 who never gets tired of explaining things in different ways until you understand. For educators, Gradescope has become an essential tool that leverages AI to transform the grading process. By using advanced machine learning algorithms, it automatically groups similar answers together, allowing for consistent and efficient assessment. This not only saves educators countless hours, but also ensures greater fairness in grading. The system continually improves as it learns from the instructor's grading patterns, becoming more accurate with each assignment. Another game changer for educators is Fetchy, an AI-powered platform specifically designed to simplify administrative tasks. From creating lesson plans to drafting professional emails and newsletters, Fetchy automates time-consuming responsibilities, allowing teachers to focus more on what truly matters. Many teachers report saving 5-10 hours per week by incorporating Fetchy into their workflow, which is transformative in a profession where time is always in short supply. Socrates takes personalized learning to new heights with its comprehensive platform for class creation, assignment management, and student progress tracking. What makes Socrates particularly impressive is how its AI adapts to each student's learning style and pace, providing truly individualized education at scale. Students engage with interactive content that adjusts in real time based on their responses, ensuring concepts are fully mastered before moving forward. The detailed analytics also give teachers unprecedented insight into exactly where students are struggling. For mathematics specifically, MathGP Pro has emerged as the leading AI tutor, with its interactive lessons and personalized approach to teaching math concepts. With an astonishing accuracy rate in solving complex mathematical problems, it serves as an invaluable resource for students at all levels. The platform can walk students through solutions step by step, providing explanations tailored to their current understanding. It's particularly effective for students who feel intimidated by traditional math instruction or need extra support outside the classroom. In the productivity space, Notion has elevated itself beyond just an organizational tool by integrating powerful AI capabilities. This all-in-one workspace combines note-taking, project management, and collaboration features with AI-powered summarization, writing assistance, and data analysis. The result is a remarkably streamlined workflow where your AI assistant works alongside you, helping to organize information, draft content, and extract insights from your data. The customization options are virtually limitless, allowing you to create a workspace perfectly tailored to your specific needs. For creative professionals and enthusiasts, Midjourney has completely transformed the landscape of digital art creation. This AI-generated art platform allows users to create stunning visuals simply by describing what they want in natural language. The quality and originality of the artwork produced are simply mind-blowing, opening up new possibilities for graphic designers, marketers, and artists. People with no formal art training can now generate professional quality illustrations, concept art, and visual content that previously would have required years of practice or expensive commissions. Video editors have been flocking to CapCut for its revolutionary AI-powered editing capability. What started as a mobile app has evolved into a comprehensive editing suite, offering advanced tools like automatic captions, background removal, and AI-powered effects that would have required specialized knowledge in premium editing software just a few years. Its user-friendly interface makes professional-level video editing accessible to everyone, from social media enthusiasts to marketing professionals. The automatic editing suggestions can transform raw footage into engaging content with just a few clicks. Finally, for the developers among us, GitHub Copilot has become an indispensable AI-powered coding assistant. By analyzing vast repositories of code, Copilot provides intelligent suggestions and auto-completions that dramatically enhance productivity and code quality. Many developers report writing code up to 55% faster when using Copilot, with fewer bugs and more elegant solutions. It's particularly helpful for navigating unfamiliar languages or frameworks, as the AI can suggest appropriate patterns and implementations based on context. What's truly exciting about all these tools is that they represent just the beginning of how AI is transforming various industries. The technology is advancing at an exponential rate, and we're seeing new breakthroughs almost weekly. These tools are not just making existing processes more efficient. They're enabling entirely new ways of working, creating, and learning that weren't possible before. I encourage you to experiment with the tools that seem most relevant to your needs. Many offer free trials or freemium models that let you explore their capabilities before committing. And remember, the learning curve is usually much gentler than you might expect, as these platforms are designed with user experience in mind. Before I wrap up, I'd love to hear which of these AI tools you're most excited to try, or if you're already using some that you think deserve to be on this list. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content on the latest technology trends and tools that can give you a competitive edge. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into how to maximize your results with some of these amazing tools. Until then, happy creating!